Hi guys, those of you who have chosen picture number 1, let's see who will you marry, who will be your life partner. We'll check how are they gonna be, their nature, their qualities, and then how will be your emotional bond with them and your overall life and lucky months for you and letters also. Okay, so let's start picture number 1, and this is a general reading, timeless reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. Okay, first we'll check who will be your life partner, how will be your life partner. Okay, picture number 1. Okay, we have the moon, 4 of swords, then we have the magician, 10 of pentacles, king of wands, and then we have the fool. Okay, so signs we have is Cancer, Scorpio, then we have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, but they can be any sign, okay, because this is basically the energy. Okay, so your partner, first of all, will be quite rich and well settled. Okay, I mean, he or she will be earning well, they have a good family, parents, and maybe they have a pet also. Okay, and they are from a very like living a luxurious life kind of family. Okay, and then this partner will be secretive. Like when you first meet this person will be secretive. I mean, he will not open his heart directly to you, or he will be hiding some secrets from you, like of the past relationship or anything, any kind of secrets, anything. Okay, so but after meeting you, like this partner will start to open up. Like we have the Fool card, this partner will start to open up with you, sharing feelings and everything. And this person will be more on like practical side and less on emotional side. Okay, and this person loves to dress up, loves to go out, hang out, and this person will be like wanderlust person. Okay, who just want to explore new places, want to get out and just have fun with people, with friends. Okay, that kind of person. And this person will be very close to his or her family, and family is very important for this person. And this person's decision making power is like awesome. This person is just like king. Okay, and his decisions will be like king only. Maybe this person is working where he's working, maybe the position is very high, like CEO or manager or boss or some administrative service or somewhere, where he is the head of the department or anything. Okay, so this person will be basically a leader who guides others, and this person loves to spend alone time, quality time, and this person is like quite close to divine. Okay, like he or she believes in divine, in spirituality, in manifestation and everything. Okay, and this person will be a kind of a peace loving person who hates fighting, who hates argument. Okay, maybe, and maybe you're already dealing with this partner, but there is some situation going on right now where you're not getting the clarity. Okay, and this person will be like a magician. Okay, like when you meet this partner, you will be like totally mesmerized by their qualities, their maybe their beauty, their charm, their way of talking and everything. And this person has achieved a lot in their life because this person is like headstrong. Whatever they want to do in their life, whatever they want to get in their life, they will get it by anyhow. Okay, so basically this partner loves to live life like just like a king. Okay, and maybe they are fond of wearing branded clothes, living a branded life and everything. Okay, now we'll check that how will be your emotional bond, your connection with this partner, your emotional romantic bond with your partner, with your husband, wife. Okay, so first we have distorted feminine, then we have abundance, then we have sexuality, and then we have soulmates. Okay, so maybe you are dealing with your soulmate right now, or you will marry your soulmate. Okay, maybe you already know this person and there are some issues going on right now. Maybe the feminine energy is quite distorted in this relationship, right? Because the male is like working on their goals, their career, on themselves, but like the feminine energy is quite clingy, running after the male, and always calling, always kind of being that clingy attitude. Okay, which you have to stop. If this is your energy, then you have to stop this energy for this abundance to enter your life. Okay, and your relationship with this partner will be very, very like fertile, very, very like there's a potential of growth in this relationship. You both will earn well, you both will enjoy your life. There will be no scarcity of any material wealth or anything. You both will live a luxurious life. Okay, and this partner and you will share an awesome sexual bond. Maybe this partner is attracted towards your body or your physical features or anything, and you both will have great chemistry. Okay, and then maybe you will marry your soulmate. Okay, many of you will marry your soulmate, or maybe you're already dealing with your soulmate right now. Okay, and you have the soulmate connection. That's why there is always there's a divine feminine, divine masculine, and kind of energy going on, and sometimes you get distorted also. Okay, so there's a cycle going on right now which will end soon, and you will you will marry your soulmate. Okay, now let's see important months for you when you can marry this partner, or when you will meet this partner. Okay, then we have December, we have November, we have August, we have March, we have July, we have June. Okay, so these months are really important for you. Okay, now we'll pull some cards of like how will be your overall married life with this partner. Overall married life with this partner. Wow, we have Four of Wands. See, again we have got card of soulmates. We have this card of soulmates, and again Four of Wands, 11 card. So definitely pile number 1, you're gonna marry your soulmate only. Then we have hope. Then we have, wow, we have the Sun card, and then we have the waiting game. Okay, so maybe you're waiting for this person right now. Maybe you're already in relationship with this partner and you're waiting for their proposal, or maybe you are single and you are waiting for a soulmate right now. Okay, so there's a waiting game going on, but after marriage your life will be like awesome. First of all, like you have this house, this family, kids, and you will enjoy your material life, you'll enjoy your sexual life, you'll enjoy your emotional life. Like it will be totally worth it marrying this person. Okay, and there's a lot of hope in this connection. Okay, and then there is this Sun card, which is the most positive card. So this relationship will be very, very like loyal, loving, committed. Okay, and full of abundance, surprises, love. Okay, and everything will be there in this relationship. So like you will marry the perfect match for you. You will marry the partner who you have dreamt of for a long time, and this partner, the soulmate of yours, will be like the perfect person for you. Okay, you will have a beautiful family with them. Okay, let's pull out some letters. Okay, we have N, we have A, N, K, E, B, O, T, R, L, F, H, and then we have C. Okay, so these can be like the first name, middle name, or last name, or places where they live. Okay, of your partner, of your life partner. Okay guys, so this is your reading. Like, share, subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you. Hello guys, those of you who have chosen picture number 2, let's see who will you marry, who will be your life partner. And this is a general reading, timeless reading, and if you're new on this channel, please do subscribe and like. Okay, and first we'll check who will you marry, who will be your life partner, and then we'll check your emotional bond with them, and important months for you, important letters, and how will be your overall married life. Okay, so let's start your reading. Picture number 2, who will you marry, who will be your life partner. And this is for both male and female. Okay, picture number 2, who will you marry? We have 2 of cups, 2 of wands, 9 of cups, 10 of pentacles, 6 of wands. Wow, 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 just awesome. Okay, for many of you, you will marry your soulmate, and for the lucky ones of you, you'll marry your twin flame. Okay, because we have got here 2 of cups and 4 of wands. Definitely guys, this is a pure soulmate twin flame connection, and I think many of you have already met this partner and you're waiting for them. Okay, maybe you are in a long distance connection, or maybe you're waiting for this partner to confess or to propose you or to make that move for you. Okay, and for those of you who are single, you guys are waiting for your soulmate, for your twin flame. Okay, and okay, so this partner will be living far away from you, especially in another country or another state or another city. Okay, and you will meet this partner online, like through any social networking site. Okay, and there's a lot of waiting game in this relationship. Okay, and this partner will be very rich, abundant, have a beautiful family, and this partner will be very close to to his parents, and maybe he or she is having a pet like a dog or something. Okay, and this partner will be living a luxurious life, and you will be living that life with them after marriage. Okay, and this partner is actually your prince charming. Okay, or your princess. And definitely this partner, when you meet this partner, okay, so this partner will not be that kind of flirt type. This partner will be looking for a serious relationship, just like you are, and they want marriage with you. They're not looking for a boyfriend or a girlfriend or a fling or anything. They want that serious relationship, marriage commitment with you. Okay, and I see that this partner will make you emotionally satisfied. Okay, if you have past bad relationship, this partner will definitely make you overcome that, will make you emotionally satisfied, and this partner will be like full of life. Okay, like he or she will be full of life kind of person. This partner will be very passionate towards their goals, their career, earning well. Okay, and this partner will give you equal give and take love, and this relationship will be guided by the angels. Maybe this is a very, very spiritual relationship that you will share with this partner, and you meet with each other for a purpose. Okay, and one more thing, that this partner will be like equally practical and equally emotional. Okay, so there's a 50-50 balance of practicality and emotionality. Okay, and the signs are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus or Capricorn, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, but they can be any sign, but this is a pure like true love relationship. And this partner, and if you're in a soulmate journey, then definitely this partner will make you awake about your goals, about self-love, about everything you need to do in your life. Okay, now let's see that how will be your emotional romantic bond with your life partner. With this partner, your emotional romantic bond with your life partner. Compatibility, then we have resolving conflict, the gardener, and then we have rainbow reviver. Okay guys, so this will be a very compatible relationship, and maybe like many of you, like 40% of you already know this partner. There are some issues going on with this partner, so maybe like you both want to resolve some conflict so that you can again unite and you can proceed towards marriage, and you both will be very compatible, because we have 2 of cups also, and compatibility also, and we have 4 of wands also, 11-11 card, or maybe you're seeing 11-11 a lot. Okay, so there is a lot of compatibility, passion in this relationship. Like you both will be like perfect for each other. Like if you'll try to talk to someone else also, then also you will not feel that connection with someone else. Okay, like this partner will be perfect for you, and this partner will be your divine masculine, and you both will create this harmonious future together. You both will make this relationship bloom. Okay, just like this picture, and this partner will take a good care of you. Okay, and then we have Rainbow Revival. So you will be like so happy, you both will be so happy in this relationship, and like you both will bring colors to each other's life. Okay, so there's like two crazy people in love with each other, that kind of relationship. Okay, now let's see important months for you. Okay guys, we have first is we have October, then we have April, then we have March, June, September, and then we have July. So these months are important for you. Maybe they're born in these months, or you'll meet them, you'll meet with them in these months, or you'll marry with them in these months. Okay, so okay, now let's see how will be your overall married life with this partner, your overall married life with this partner. Okay, we have sacrifice, third eye chakra, rejoice and celebration, and we have power. Okay guys, so you have to make a bit of sacrifice initially in this relationship, but sacrifice is a very negative word. There are bit of adjustments, and maybe initially you can feel a bit of stuck, because to make yourself habitual of each other. But after that, definitely there's a lot of celebration. You'll enjoy your life, you'll hang out, you'll go out, you'll see the world, you both will just enjoy your life with each other. Okay, and this relationship will make you very strong, and this relationship will be your strength, and this partner will be your strength. Okay, this partner will support you throughout their life. And third eye chakra, so definitely you will become very intuitive after meeting this partner, or after marrying this partner. This partner will bring out that intuition in you, and you will be connected to divine after meeting this partner. Okay, now let's see important letters for you. Okay, we have C, A, and we have W, E, J, Z, G, U, Y, R, N, I, V, and we have H. So maybe these are the first name, middle name, or last name, or place where they live. Okay, so guys, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe, like, and thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.